Color Vision Assessment. Learn how to use isochromatic plates to assess a student's vision for color deficiency. Pictured on screen is a close-up of a person's eye.
Hello, I'm Amanda English from Michigan Department of Education Low Incidence Outreach. I'm going to talk with you about color vision testing for a functional vision assessment. One way to test color vision is to use pseudo-isochromatic plates or different colored dots. This test was designed by Ishihara in the early 1900s. The cover of the Ishihara test for color deficiency is on the slide. The circle plates have colored dots, and there are numbers within the dots in specific colors that might not be visible to people with color deficiencies or color blindness. A full Ishihara test contains 38 plates and range from fully visible to non-recognizable to those with and without color deficiencies. The image on the screen is the demonstration plate. It's often a turquoise plate with dots of orange that form the number 12. Most people can see this. Even the colorblind individual can see the contrast differences. Like most types of vision impairment, students will likely have varying degrees of color blindness, so they may be able to see some level of color. There are several types of plates presented in the Ishihara color test. Transformation plates are often containing numbers 8 and 6. The 8 will appear as a 3, and the 6 will appear as a 5 to those with red or protan and green or deutan deficiencies. A person with total color blindness will not see any numbers. The color plate on the slide shows the number 3. Another type of plate for the test is the vanishing plate. A colorblind individual will not see anything on the vanishing plates. For the hidden plates, the colorblind student can see numbers versus a person who's seeing normally can see nothing. So they've changed it up a bit. When testing color vision, be sure to pay attention to lighting. Fluorescent or LED lights are better, as incandescent lights can cast a yellow hue and impact the testing. Give only 3 seconds per plate. Most booklets will indicate information regarding what to expect from each plate. The Ishihara tracing plates can be used for students who cannot read numbers or have difficulty talking, and they can trace the plates with their fingers. These plates will likely look like squiggly lines across the circle. Not all children will be able to use the Ishihara plates, especially if they're not able to read numbers. You may want to consider using the Wagner Color Vision Testing Made Easy to look for color deficiencies in young children ages 3 to 6. The cover of the Wagner is on the slide. The demonstration page for the Wagner has a circle, star, and square. These should be able to be seen by children with and without color deficiencies. One difference with the Color Vision Made Easy test is that there will be a shape on the page that a child can identify regardless of a color deficiency. It will also show additional shapes that may not be recognizable by a child with a color deficiency. By having at least one shape most children can see, you'll know that the child understands what they're looking for. If you don't have access to one of the books, you can use an online version of the color test. I'm placing the iristech.co test vision link in the chat. This particular test will provide the tester with a general idea of any color deficiencies the student may have. Be cautious to ensure that you have any special filters turned off your computer if you decide to go this route. Thank you for joining me to take a quick look at color vision testing. MDELIO is dedicated to providing you with resources and assistance. If you have questions or need assistance, please visit our webpage at mdelio.org. You can reach out to us through our outreach request form, outreach@mdelio.org, or through direct email. You can reach our director, Roxanne Belfour, at belfour@michigan.gov. Education consultants, myself, Amanda English, at englisha1@michigan.gov, Beth Brabs at brabsb@michigan.gov, Johanna Brutvan is brutvanj@michigan.gov, and Pat Love at lovep@michigan.gov.
Learn more at mdelio.org. Find more videos, get resources, and learn how MDELIO can support you.